About to spray my perfume and I'm about to head out the door because I'm not gonna do the most for these folks. I'm trying to quit. You know, I ain't get my daughter a good life. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm, if you don't already know. Before we get into this video, be sure you hit that subscribe button and follow all of my social media, which I will have linked down below. Sorry if I sound a little hoarse because I kind of like just woke up, but yeah, we're just gonna hop right into this video. This is basically how I go to work. I don't do much. I just like a clean face, something cute and subtle. I literally have nothing on, barely. But yeah, let's just hop right into this video. That's it. All done. Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. it's okay. Like, I liked it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow all of my social media, which will be on screen and down below. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.